Hello, so this is to help Tilly know how to log in and take attendance. So what he needs to do is go to our 7th grade art Google Classroom page just by clicking on that. So 7th grade art. And then if we scroll down, you're going to see today's date, Wednesday, May 13th. And this video here, I'll scoot this over. Oopsie daisy. Here we go. All right. So this video here is a link that explains what the daily assignment is, and Tilly can choose to do that, or he can choose to also do one art of play activity a week. So that's up to him if he wants to participate in what we're doing each day in class on our Google Classroom site, or if he wants to stick with his art of play activities. I'm fine with either. But one thing I would like him to do is take attendance. You're going to notice it says right here, attendance. It's a Google form. So Tilly's just going to click that, and it'll open up to this. And then here he can write his first and last name, and click the class period that he is a part of for our class, and just click submit. And then he's taken attendance for the day. So that comes up every day. So even if he is doing his own thing, I still would like him to take attendance just so I know he's here and he's, not sick or something. And then I do post some other fun things along the way, like flip grids, but mostly it's just our daily work. And if you ever want to go back, you can scroll down and see what maybe Tilly has missed, or if there's any attendance things that he needs to take care of, maybe he forgot to do one day, he can always scroll down and take attendance for days that he forgot to do that. So that is also an option too, but it's best if he takes attendance right away. So I hope that helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions. I will try to help you as best I can.